Arvind Smart Spaces is coming up with its new residential development now in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Arvind Sarjapur. So right now we are here on the actual site of the project and let me show you the surrounding of the project. The land parcel is just behind me over here where the marketing office is getting ready inside. Now in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, I know you must be wondering what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. Arvind Sarjapur is spread across 11 plus acre of massive land consisting of multiple towers, each towers rising from 2 basement ground plus 18 floors. This project offers you 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium homes. With 85% of open space, only 440 homes in this project and 1000 plus trees around your community. It means this project is a perfect combo of nature-inspired living and low density. Let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located bang on Ambalipura Sarjapur Road in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and the land parcel of our project is just on my right hand side and on my left hand side is the Ambalipura Sarjapur Road. So this road will take you towards Sarjapur and the opposite side road will connect you towards HSR layout, where you can connect to St. Patrick's Academy in just 1 minute. Wipro Kodati is 2 minutes away. Decathlon, that is 4 minutes away, and RGA Tech Park in just 7 minutes from our project. You get excellent connectivity to Outer Ring Road, HSR, Electronic City, Whitefield as well. Now about the amenities part, and residents here will enjoy premium lifestyle with world-class amenities like a 15,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, fully equipped gym, landscape garden, kids play area, yoga and meditation zone, plus many more luxurious amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built up area, and this project offers premium and spacious with intelligently designed 3 and 4 BHK homes, where 3 BHK starting from 1490 square feet and goes up to 1800 square feet super built up area. 4 BHK is of 2200 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage and we are open with the EOI window, that is expression of interest window. So our interested clients are invited to our site where our sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. Then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. Our EOI clients can get exclusive benefits like exclusive pre-launch discount, preference in flat selection and much more benefits. So everyone, this was a teaser of Arvind Sarjapur, a project developed by Arvind Smart Spaces located in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. If you are looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.